Hi everyone, and welcome to an unboxing. Today we're doing something very interesting and I must say very rare. I hope you enjoy this. It's something I picked up from Harrods. I was on the list for this and I was quite honored actually. Not my typical go-to brand, but it's something I am gradually liking because I seem to have quite a few of the watches. So that's what this is. It's a newly released limited edition, 105 of these pieces. Now, to give you a clue, this is a very popular one. This is the Tudor's sterling silver watch, which I'm sure a number of you are aware of. I'm not sure if it's, I know this is the Black Bay. This as well, this is the Harrods limited edition watch as well. This was, I think, limited to 15,000 pieces. So yeah, very special one. I got one of these as well. Obviously the sterling silver, and this probably maybe the only unboxing on YouTube. I don't know, but yeah, I will start by showing you where the differences lie. This is in gold. Normally you get them in different colors, but for this particular watch, there's 175 of them. It's in gold. So that's the first difference. Again, that's in gold, you know, very similar box, you know, but that's printed in gold. And then voila, I will just open this off and boom, it's a Black Bay Harrods limited edition version 2. This is limited to 175 pieces. It is such a beautiful watch. It's got the Rolex GMT strap. It's a 41. Again, I'll put this next to it for comparison. You know, this one's green here and black in there. I put a Horus strap on. Horus? I'm not sure how it's pronounced. So this is two of them for comparison. This is real gold, whereas in the older one, it's just still. Again, you just have the same dial sort of effect as this one, the same. And let's see what this sterling silver one is. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is a Tudor thing, but the logo on all of them is the same. So this is for comparison. This is a 39, 41, and a 41. But I must say this looks bigger than this. Let me just take this off actually. This looks bigger than this. The strap is fantastic. This on my wrist is I think that's I can't remember what size this is. But yeah, so this is a 39. Yeah, I think that's a 36. That's a 39, and this is a 41. Yeah, so let's bring it out so you can see it in more detail. Now, very elegant piece. It's very elegant, good weight to it. Yeah, I haven't taken off the stickers. I've left it, and I should probably take them off because I am keeping this for as long as I can. You know, probably. One of those pieces you hand down to your kids. Now, as I got 3 of these, I probably need to get the 3rd edition, you know. But yeah, what do I talk about? Well, I mean, it's beautiful. It's fantastic. It's okay. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the second hand has got the Harrods logo moving around. In the older one, you just have like a diamond. I'm not sure how much zoom this can do. If I come close, does it focus? Let's see. No, it's too close, so I probably can do maybe there. So yeah, so you can see the like, I mean, this has just been in my watch case, so it's not wound or anything. But yeah, literally just the diamond sort of shaped second hand. Obviously you get the Harrods. There should be Harrods written somewhere. No, actually. Yeah, there's no Harrods written on the front. Interesting. And on this one, let's have a close look. So yeah, similar text, no Harrods written, but here you have the Harrods second hand. It's the Black Bay, so it's the usual deep sea diving. No time on this. At the back, let's see. I could show you, but I need to block out the serial number and all that. So that's what the back looks like. It's got the Harrods building there, and it tells me what number my watch is. On this one, This is obviously, these are very special watches actually. In terms of the numbers, let me see. Okay, so I'd have to block this too, but yeah, so on this one you just have the H there and it says special edition, and that's how this one looks. Yeah, put them next to each other so you can compare. This one is a fantastic watch. It is really, really good looking. The black and the green and the silver with the gold really works. You could put a black strap on here. I think it would look good. It comes with a NATO strap actually. Yeah, there's more to show you guys. Let's pop this down. Obviously the booklets, this has got NFC, so if you tap it on, it would you know, if you tap it, it would take you to, it will show you all the details, anything about chronometer, whatever that is. So the tag, extra links, I had to take out a few links, and that's the NATO strap. Perhaps this could have come better. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this one I need to get the box. It does come with a few straps. It comes with the chain as well, but it's not this style. And it comes with I think a black or a green strap. But yeah, so this is what this strap looks like. Nothing, I wish this was gold. That would have been very nice, you know, gold and green. But yeah, so that's basically what comes. So I'll put them back in here because I don't plan on, one thing about me is that my watches come, I tend to wear them as they are. So I'll put this there. I'll put this in the middle actually. And I'll put this there. And let's take this one out for contrast. So I've had this watch for a while. I've traveled to different countries with it. I have used it in the water, in the pool. No issues. Why I like this, let me just block out the serial number is there. It's got the, you can see the back, it's got the revolving thing. Beautiful watch. So yeah, so that's 3 of them. For size, that's why I thought I'll put them here. You know, very elegant looking pieces, especially this one. This one, yeah, they got it really right with this one. This one, it's okay, nothing too special. But this one, I think this watch is going to be a very big deal. You know, I might be wrong, but there's just no watch like this. You know, when the AD told me about it, I was like, oh my goodness, not a Tudor again. You know, do I regret it? No. You know, so yeah, so these are the few of my Tudor pieces. Again, I just have this thing with Harrods and limited edition stuff, and that's why I like this one. And that's yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will do my best to answer. If not, I could do another video addressing your concerns or questions. But yeah, please subscribe, like, share, and let's make these things a little bit more interactive, you know. Yeah. Thank you all so much, and take care and God bless. Bye-bye.